Okay, so now we're at the microscope. Remember, you want your stage to be in the lowest position, so double check that before you get started. You also want to make sure you're on the lowest objective. So for you, that'll be the 4 power. Okay, and because I have 3 fields of view on here, I'm going to go ahead and line up my field of view for Be Serious into the light, just to give me kind of a head start. And then you're ready to go. So you're going to peek in here into your ocular, and you probably won't see anything at first because with the stage in that lowest position, you're going to have to bring it up towards the objective a pretty good distance before you start to see anything. So I'm going to do that. Again, I'm just bringing it up pretty far. Turning, turning, turning. I can start to see some blue, so I know I'm getting close. Another way I know is that when I shift the stage right or left, the field of view should go with it. If it doesn't, that means you still need to move the stage up or down, probably up, because you're going to need to get into another plane. Basically, you're looking at like dust particles on the objective itself. Okay, I want to show you what I'm seeing, if I can. This is about what I want to see, because I did a really good job with this mirror. Kind of just looks like blue confetti because all the bacteria is not jammed on top of each other. And at this power, that's about what you're going to see. So once I get it here, I know I'm doing pretty good hunting down my bacteria, and now I'm going to make sure it's centered where you want it, and then I'm going to turn the objective up to the 10 power. Or what they call the high power. Just getting closer. You'll probably have to adjust it a little bit with the fine focus. So I'm going to do that. Should come into view. I'm going to check it regular style though. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I can see what I want to see. This is good. I'm still going to have to get a power to be very useful. But this is what you're going to want to see. And the bacteria is really the tiniest of these dots. So I'm going to go up to my high dry. I'll look in there. And I'm going to have to adjust it again with the fine focus. There we go. Oh, there they are. Okay. I'm going to take my glasses off, which I do sometimes, so I can press my eyes to the oculars. Okay. Oh yeah. I didn't do too badly. Hopefully this shows for you. So this is as high as I can go without adding oil. And each one of those little tiny blue oblong shapes is a Be Serious bacterium. So this will be a lot easier when we are together in the lab, and I can show you a little bit more. But basically from this, what I can see is that Be Serious is pretty good at picking up the methylene blue. I can tell that the shape of the Be Serious is an oblong shape, or what we call rod, a formal name bacillus. And actually, for Be Serious, the B stands for bacillus because it also happens to be the genus name. But that's all you're doing, and you're going to record what you see, the shape, maybe make a note of the color, how difficult or maybe easy some stains are for some bacteria. The reason why you're doing the 3 species and the 3 stains is because these two, the crystal violet and the safranin, you're going to use a lot. You're going to be doing that for gram staining every single time. And the lab is trying to get you to see that not all species will pick up all the stains in the same way, because if it picks up this stain, it's going to be gram positive, and if it picks up safranin, it's gram negative. So between your 3 species, your B. cereus, your E. coli, and your Ensica, we have 1 gram positive and 2 gram negative. So again, not all of them are going to take up this stain, and that's what you're noting on your data table. Making notes that'll be useful to you when you get to your unknowns. So that's it. Your scope work is really just to make notes. I recommend using color if you've got them. We also have colored markers and colored pencils if you need. And again, just any note. You might learn that a species is supposed to be bacillus but tends to look a little rounder, or vice versa. That's probably a result of your heat fixing. Sometimes the heat fixing melts the bacteria when it's adhering it to the slide. So those are the kinds of things you want to make notes on. If I come over and tell you, well, this species is really supposed to be bacillus, but for you it looks round, make that note, because you're going to get these same species for your unknowns. Any notes that you have will be really handy for you when you get to your unknown. Okay, that's all there is to the scope work, and I will see you tomorrow. And you can bring any questions you have for your labs, and have a good Monday.